this continuation of putting the scissor lift in the other section over here. So I figured the easiest way to do it, instead of dragging it across first thing, go ahead and put it on the trailer again. That one let go, but this one didn't. Get this out of here. Only one is going to be a pain in the butt. All right. Let's get this down. All right. A little bit of weight on the trailer now, because that thing probably weighs half a ton. Get this. Ground. Oh, that one is. All right. Oh shoot! Screw that. I think before I put it in location, I'm gonna go ahead and get the sandblaster out and blast it. Get it all nice and cleaned up, and I can paint it in there. So now I can pull it out, and I can back that puppy straight in. Now, corner it. So let's do that. I'll put you on pause. Okay, it's the point where I'm at right now. I was going to put it right back on the trailer, move everything around and swap the plates out. Right now we're going to try it this way. It's heading this way. I say, hey, you got those you got those furniture dollies, why don't you put those under there? So we're trying it this way. It seems to be working okay. Let's see. No, it's gonna pull over here. Ooh, don't you dare get over that hump. Dragging my board. Alright, you got the board. Okay, it's good. Which is not off. And she should roll right off on the. Roll off. All right. I'm standing on all my equipment here. Got to get it over that one. Huh?
That one.
What one? It's going to be right here.
You got to get them on here. You want this one.
What is this one? See what it does. Fortunately, I lost my wheel again.
Sure, you got a pull.
All right. We're gonna have to go over the hump.
I think I need this.
What?
That bolt. Sometimes these pushing pull off the bolt.
Okay. Hold it. Sure that. I'm gonna get that.
In the back of the truck.
Son of a gun. Yeah. Oh, these things here. Yeah, I'm gonna stick them in. What?
It's gonna be. Just let one extend out, let the other one extend out.
Yeah, 4 of those. Yeah, okay. I'll just pull those plates just a little further. Oh, what are you? What was that? On the. Yeah. Ow. Maybe. See if it works. That small jack again. How do I do that? Where are you? Okay. Secure that. What did I do with the small jack? There it is. Ah. Okay, thank you. Success. My wife even these are cut to go down in her pop up. Go back in. Careful on the splitters. You know, a $29 jack.
Sorry for the fact that I lost audio. This is because something within the Vivitar camera. I'm using a Versha cam, body cam, action cam, and security cam, life cam. And it attaches to your shirt and you run it off of your phone. It's got a motion detector, night vision, magnetic mounted, and Wi-Fi control. I have no idea why I lost audio with this thing. Unfortunately, you can tell there's no stabilization with it. But anyway, I'm trying to align the scissor lift on the plates. This was a very how would you say it, difficult move. That thing weighs about 1,200 pounds, and trying to get it on the plates, of course, coming off of the 2x plywood, coming off of the trailer. So I had to set it up so I could use the winch to pull it in and then move it around, getting that wood or the in that area level in there, so I could put that 1/2-inch plate down. I think that was the best way to be able to use that particular lift, because it has wheels, of course, on the outside facing the road. And then, of course, when I'm able to lift it up, once I've driven the vehicle on there, the rear area facing the road makes it so I can drop a motor out of a subframe type vehicle. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share. Catch me on the next Crosby's Garage.